That kindly see the allegations on the left hand side, some 25 lakhs trap case. But how can that be a predicate offence for the purposes of conducting 17 proceedings against me?
Once I take instructions, my lords. My only submission, my lords, is whose name is mentioned in the predicate offence, my lords, doesn't come in the
No,
way
no,
of-
correct. I am not on that. See, there should be trial, there should be
I am
connection.
no way concerned with him. I am the excise commissioner. That kindly see the allegations on the left hand side, some 25 lakhs trap case. But how can that be a predicate offence for the purposes of conducting 17 proceedings against me?
Once I take instructions, my lords. My only submission, my lords, is whose name is mentioned in the predicate offence, my lords, doesn't come in the
No,
way
no,
of-
correct. I am not on that. See, there should be trial, there should be connection. Unconnected people you can't draw.
That, my lords, if-
See, you may register a crime against someone in Dari Lokta, mane chanagide anta our
Excise
predicate
office.
offence anbitre.
my lords, if my only submission,
Proceeds
my
of
lords,
crime anbitre.
I'll take instructions on this part, but my lords, my only submission is why 17 lords, it depends upon the search, whatever we have done, based on the linkage only we have done.
No,
It's
absolutely
not
no
a
problem.
case where-
Absolutely no problem. To get a right to search in a particular house, there should, first thing is predicate offence.
Please.
All right. In the predicate offence, one should be an accused there, or there should be money trail connection
Bail
with
should
the
have-
accused.
That, my lords, that, my lords,
Correct?
that, my lords.
Now, who are these and who is Jagadish Nayak?
That we will,
There should be
I will take
reasons to
instructions
believe.
and I'll take
Secondly,
instructions.
believe.
our press note, they say there is a huge corruption in the excise department in the state of Karnataka. Therefore, this is the reasoning.
Maybe you are the crusader of corruption, but it should be in accordance with law.
My only, my lords, predicate offence ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಈ 3 ಜನನು ಇಲ್ವಾ predicate offence ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Sure ಆ?
Need to take instructions.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
FIR.
ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? 3 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, my lords, for an
Lords,
investigation
in
to be done.
20, I am a partner in a liquor business.
ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ED proceedings, you know the ramifications, you know the consequences.
Submission, my lords. Predicate offence ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is a crime which is registered.
ಹೌದು.
Lords, if there is a proceeds of crime,
ಇನ್ನು ಶುರುನೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು 7 it's not proceeds of crime. See, if it is a 13 proceeding, you can always say he has amassed wealth disproportionate to the known source of income. There, yes, you may spring into action when there is some development in the proceedings. This is a 7A trap case. Trap case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ proceeds of crime 25 ಲಕ್ಷ proceeds of crime ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ
25
ಹೋಗಿ.
lakhs they have seized.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ. See, ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ proceeds of crime ಇದೆ, ಯಾರ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ. How do you go against unconnected people? XYZ. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
They have conducted a raid, my lords.
ಈಗ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ.
They have seized cash found in my house.
ಹಾ.
Summon ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Let them at least, if they should not, my lords, precipitate, let them take instructions. I have no
They
objection.
will, no problem, that we'll see.
I'm not the other questions. I was observing lots of proceedings yesterday. All those questions about 17, not the ramifications of 17.
Yes.
The learned friend was arguing, my learned friend for the director saying it is a civil proceedings, etc.
Correct.
Certainly not. But it's not.
Right.
Then I'm just giving you lots of
That I.
article. Then my lords, it has. But this right?
No, but you only heard him. What I asked also, how do you spring into action for proceeds of crime?
Correct. I'm not in this Puttaswamy's case, I must bring to Lordship's notice. Right against arbitrary search is traced to Article 21. We were just going through that.
All
On
that we'll
I'll
answer.
make it.
if I may only submit, my lords. These are all judicial proceedings in nature. They are all not criminal proceedings in nature.
ಯಾವುದು?
The proceedings under section
Even
15.
powers,
my
my
lords,
lord,
if I-
what my learned friend
My lords,
was,
if may submit-
powers of civil
if I may
court say,
submit.
how you give powers to summon witnesses,
That's a
that
judicial-
does
No.
not become.
See, ಆತರ even under the Atrocities Act proceedings ಗೂ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದೆ.
My only submission, my lords, is, of course, with Lord's consideration, it is judicial proceedings in nature. Unless it partakes a character of criminal proceedings only when a cognizance is taken. Unless till then it's judicial proceedings in nature. That is the only. submission.
It is quasi judicial with power of a civil court to summon witnesses and examine. To that limited extent, the power that is conferred, we shall have the powers of the civil court to do it, and takshana adjudicatory proceedings will not become judicial proceedings.
In such a case, my lords, my 223 should be taken off because it is not a charge sheet, it is only a PCR.
I just can't fathom this. The press release says.
Unfathomable.
No, this press release says in the state of Karnataka, ED has, there is a well-oiled system placed here in the form of Karnataka Lokayuktam, right? Who complaints can be given, they can go into it. They say
No, the ED's contention, despite that well-oiled system, it is rusting.
That's fine. I mean, there are larger issues. This is one first aspect. Second aspect, what I want to raise it before your lordships.
Yes, sir.
On a principle, my lords, as to whether reasons to believe, if recorded, assuming, my lords, whether that requires to be disclosed to the person in whose premises the search is conducted. Now, in this case on hand, my lords, they say reasons are recorded, we don't even know about that. Nothing is furnished to us.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
But
ನೀವು
Vijay
ಯಾರು?
Lal,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Madan
three petitions ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ್ದಿದು?
In respect of 3 persons, 3 jana, or relatives, wife, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
Oh, search is conducted everywhere, is it?
20 has no relationship with the person involved in the Lokayukta crime.
Same with 22, absolutely no relationship, no predicate of it.
So, 21 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Relationship ಇಲ್ಲ.
No. ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ರಿಲೇಷನ್, there is no relation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ relatives of the person ಅಂತ relate.
Predicate offense ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
No predicate offense in so far we
sir.
are concerned.
How did you go, sir?
No, no, it's, if I may just, as far as.
ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
As far as whatever I know from the,
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
there is an FIR which is registered in Lokayukta, one of 2016.
One
One of 2026, dated 16/1/2026 against 2 individuals. One is against.
ಏನ್ offense 13.
ಇಲ್ಲ. That FIR I have not 7A against one officer for accepting money of 25 lakhs rupees.
PC Act.
It erases.
Nothing to do with us.
Our, as far as I take instructions, but my lord, sir, there is an FIR. It's not that there is no predicate offense. Without predicate offense, my lords, we don't even register an ECI.
Correct. I have to pass an order.
It may be taken up tomorrow. Let me take instructions.
ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ?
Let me take instructions. First time.
You take instructions, no problem. But don't precipitate the matter. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ
No, my lord.
They will do
Tomorrow
it.
it may be taken.
They
Let
have
me take
summoned them,
some
they will
instructions.
take precedent.
ಸಮನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ?
No, they will do it. The whole
First
idea
time it
is
is coming,
to.
lordship. First time it is coming.
ಆಯ್ತು, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. No, I'm not saying anything. I will only direct not to precipitate the matter, but on reasons. I'm not a bald order ಅಂತೂ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. All these 3 we are taking together? ಅಲ್ಲ, are they arising out of the
Out
same?
of the same
Search proceedings.
so-called predicate offense.
No, search proceedings arising out of this.
Heard the learned senior counsel, Prabhulinga Navadgi, appearing for the petitioner, K.N. Panindra and Gautam Bharadwaj, along with Shivaprasad Shantangowda. In 2021, 22, will all pass a common order? Yes, Madhu?
Lords, I only tell you, if it may passed over, lords, let me ask.
ಏನ್ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎಸ್,
Is appear ಆಗಬೇಕಿದೆ.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳದೆ
ಆಯ್ತು, ತೊಂದರೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. The petitioners are before the court on this score that certain search was conducted in their premises or offices, and attachment proceedings have sprung as obtaining under subsection 1 of section 17 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, hereinafter referred to as the Act for short. The issue, the foundation of the search and the attachment proceedings ostensibly is upon a predicate offense. The predicate offense is a crime registered in crime number 1 of 2026 by the police of the Lokayukta, who had trapped a particular person by name Jagadish Nayak, who was caught red-handed receiving a bribe amount of 25 lakhs. The crime is therefore under section 7A of the Prevention of Corruption Act, personal to the said accused. The petitioners are admittedly not accused, but they are either the officers of the excise department or the family members of the office of. Few of them are officers of the excise department or the relative, or totally unconnected to the said predicate offense. While it is not the law that merely because the accused name is not found in the predicate offense, the offense under the ECIR cannot be registered or subsequent proceedings cannot be taken. However, there should be money trail, link between the accused in the predicate offense or any semblance of link established by the chain of events or chain of search proceedings that have taken place. The search proceedings in the case at hand are admittedly independent, not because of any link that is there with the accused in the predicate offence, albeit prima facie, which the observation would be subject to what Madhu and Rao would go through the papers and make his submissions. The learned senior counsel, respective learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioners, all in unison would contend that the summons are issued by the enforcement directorate pursuant to the attachment proceedings, and the attachment proceedings itself is illegal. Is illegal. In the light of the said submission, though, of a prima facie opinion, I deem it appropriate to direct the enforcement directorate not to precipitate the matter till the next date of hearing. The learned counsel Madhu and Rao is registered to print the name of Madhu and Rao is appearing in all these cases for the enforcement directorate. List the matter on Wednesday in the fresh matters list.
My lord, I appear for respondent number 1, my lord.
Yaudali sir, Union of India.
Please, ma'am.
So and so print the name for Union of India. ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ not to precipitate ಅಂತ. Yes. But you should somehow fine tune your issues. Instead of defending such action before the court, if you fine tune it and do it there, nobody will interfere. If you really have the zeal to know, cut corruption in any department or whatever, do it in accordance with law. Yeah, no court will interfere. You need not come here and defend an action that is indefensible, prima facie. Alva? Absolutely. Wednesday, fresh matters.